Have you ever felt like your digestive system was hosting a very slow, very uncomfortable protest? Or maybe you've spent an afternoon wondering why your stomach feels like it's hosting a crowded furniture sale, full of stuff that just won't move. Let's talk about that stuck feeling. It's awkward, it's universal, and frankly, it's a bit of a bummer. But there is actually some very logical, very biological why behind why your insides are staging this sit-in. When we talk about constipation, or being backed up, the main issue isn't just that things are moving slowly, it's what happens to the waste while it sits still. When waste stays in your colon for too long, your body keeps doing its job. It continues to soak up water from that waste. This turns your stool into a hard, dry mass that is much harder and more painful to pass. To understand why this happens, think of your colon as a sponge. Its primary job is to soak up water from the waste moving through it. Usually, the conveyor belt moves quickly enough that everything stays moist and easy to move. But if the belt stops, maybe because of low fiber or not enough water, the waste sits on the sponge for too long. The sponge doesn't know the belt has stopped. It just keeps soaking up water until that waste turns into a dry, hard brick. So why does it feel like your stomach is inflating like a balloon? That's because of the gas trap. When waste gets stuck, gas gets trapped behind it. Additionally, the bacteria in your gut are still active. They begin to feast on the stationary waste, and as they do, they have a bit of a party, which creates enough extra gas to make you feel bloated and uncomfortable. It's basically a construction zone where the workers are also throwing a very loud, very bubbly bash. Now let's talk about the physical side effects of that dry brick we mentioned earlier. Because it's so hard and dry, trying to move it can cause local irritation. This can lead to things like hemorrhoids, which are essentially just swollen veins, or small tears in the lining. It's your body's way of saying, hey, this thing is really hard to push through. Here is the good news. For most people, this is just a common, annoying inconvenience that can be managed with better hydration and more fiber. However, there is a line where it moves from annoying to medical emergency. You should seek medical help if you experience extreme pain or find yourself dealing with a mass so hard it's difficult to pass at all, or if you suspect a tear or hole in the gut wall. Most of the time, your body isn't trying to sabotage you. It's just a matter of keeping the conveyor belt moving and the sponge from drying everything out. If you enjoyed this deep dive into your inner workings, hit that subscribe button for more simple explanations of complex things.